Hey Aries, Trishna here. Happy New Year and welcome to your January 2019 reading. So what I feel for you is that those of you who have been resonating with the past about 1 to 2 months of my readings for Aries, I feel like you have had a conflict over the holidays and you've had to address it, and it has kind of put you a little bit out of sorts, and so you're kind of stumbling into this new year, which is making things a little bit difficult. But I do feel like even though there are going to be a couple of other conflicts throughout the month, I feel like those conflicts are going to be probably separate from the situation that you've just dealt with, and also really not that major. And I think that towards the end of the month, you're going to start to see the light at the end of the tunnel, and things are going to become clearer and brighter, and you're going to be able to have a better idea of how the year is going to go for you and what you want to achieve or what your goals are. In terms of the guidance that I get for you, there's a lot of stress that you're dealing with at this point in time, and I think that for you, the beginning of the year really isn't so much the beginning of the year for some of you. I feel like last year, 2018, when I did the Aries reading, I think you guys were also a little bit out of sorts, and I wonder if that's because for you, your year is about to start, and so there's like a lot of energy pulling in right now because it's the last like quarter almost of your year, like your birth year. And so it's kind of like things are coming to a close or things are coming to a climax, and there's a lot of things to deal with. So really the guidance here is that even though this might be more of a stressful time for you, know that like it's just kind of how the energy is at this point for you, and that things are going to sort themselves out soon. It's just that there's a lot of energy right now as things are coming to a close for your birth year. So relax and just know that things are going to start sorting themselves out soon, and plans will come to you and become a lot clearer, and you'll be able to get started on your year with on a better footing if you're just a little bit patient. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to check out my website. I will leave the link at the very end of this video, also in the description box. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment, and I will see you in my next video.